Surprise! I was so delighted to see that everybody liked my video with the chocolate silk cream pie that I decided to come back and share another recipe. Let's hope this doesn't turn into a chaos cake. I'm hoping that my cake tastes a fraction as good as how my grandma's does. Nobody does it like her. But I highly encourage you to try this recipe because it is a special old-fashioned recipe that you will never taste anything like it ever. There's nothing any remotely similar to how it tastes. I am so excited to share it with you. It's very intimidating, but I know it's gonna be delicious. Here's your hint. Let's get started. Alright, we're making angel food cake. So step one is to reread your directions because I know you read it, but you need to read it again. I read my instructions once, and then I had to read it again because I don't retain anything, so I had to read it again, and then I had to read it for the third time while I'm actually doing it, because otherwise I messed something up. Because one time I was making biscuits, and then the biscuits, I forgot to add the salt entirely. Whoops. Oh, and remember to comment down below because I heard some of you tried to make the French silk cream pie cake with me. That was so much fun. So let's do it again. Let's start off by milling our grain. All right, now we are going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. We're gonna edit the audio out. Oh, eggs are so gross. So, funny story. I'm currently cracking all the eggs. An egg exploded and got me all over. Got me everywhere. Exploded. Quite literally. Everywhere. Fantastic. Fantastic. So, I hope you saved one yolk. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge. And then this, you may be asking, Haley, what do you do with this? Well, you can set this in the fridge and then you can go make some pasta, or you can make this like a, what's it called? A tart, maybe? But save your yolks because this is a lot of yolks. So save your yolks, and Mom is going to link a recipe to her pasta down below. And also, she was right, it took exactly 15 eggs. And now we go over to the egg whites. This is what we're going to be using, and this is about 2 cups. Can we just take a moment to admire me breaking 15 eggs and not a single shell or yolk? Okay, now thank you. Now go and admire yours, because breaking 15 eggs without breaking a yolk or an egg white is crazy. Good job. Also, I don't like eggs. This was very gross to me, and I got attacked by the eggs. Now that we're all cleaned up, we're going to add our egg whites and a half of teaspoon of salt. We're going to beat this until it is frothy, and then we will add our next ingredient. I've never used a whisk before. Alright, this looks pretty frothy. Let's go ahead and add our next ingredient. Now we are going to add 1 1/2 cream of tartar teaspoons. 2. This is a half. 3. Because 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. And now we are going to mix this in, and I'll be right back. Don't you guys just love baking with me? I have no idea what I'm doing, and we're learning together. Have I ever made an angel food cake? Nuh-uh. I watch a lot of baking shows, and I've never seen anybody ever make an angel food cake. Now it says to slowly add 1 cup of sugar as you're mixing it. I only have one hand, so I'm gonna come back to you when I'm done doing that. Now we are going to add 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a teaspoon of almond extract. This stuff smells so good. After fighting with the vanilla bottle, I needed help to open it, we can add 3 of these, and this is a half. Just 1, and mixy. We're going to whisk this till it makes stiff peaks. Rip my arms because I forgot to get out the mixer and it's too late to go back. It's actually not too late to go back, but we're just gonna whisk it. Get it? Wing it. But I said whisk it. Okay, anyway, I'll excuse myself out, sorry. So I've been mixing this at this speed for 4 minutes, and it's not coming anywhere close to stiff peaks. So I think I might have to give up. I gave up. Also, I dropped one on the floor, so I only get to use 1. Almost there. It's doubled. I'm glad I got the big pan out for this. I'd say that's pretty good. That's decent. To your dry ingredients, we're going to add the rest of the sugar. This is 3/4 of a cup. This is all mixed together, and I'm going to very gently fold it into here and the egg whites using my Christmas spatula and attempt not to overmix it. It smells so good. Oh, and remember, when we are about to put this in the pan, we're going to preheat our ovens to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and do not grease the pan. Put the butter away, put the Pam away, put anything away that you're using. Put the grease away, the lard, whatever. Whatever you choose to use to butter your pans, put it away, okay? The angel food cake, when it dries upside down, so it needs to stick to the pan. Otherwise, it will become flat, and then you'll not have that light, airy, fluffy taste that you're looking for. We tried this recipe for the first time and forgot, and we buttered our pan, and it fell out of the pan, and then it like squished together like this. Instead of like being like a cake like this, it squished together and be like this. And that it was not, I mean, it still tasted really good. It just wasn't as fluffy as it should be. So put the butter away, and we're just gonna leave the pan as it is. I know, it's difficult. And I pulled out a stick of unsalted butter for the frosting. Look how yummy our cake is looking. We are not going to grease our pan, just let it do this. I'm really excited. Okay, I will now very gingerly put in the batter. Let me just stick right there. Oh, jeez. Okay. Try not to get it on the middle part as best as you can. We're gonna rotate. We're rotating. Okay. You know what? This is going pretty good. I'm pretty surprised. Oh! Ooh, it almost got me. We're rotating. Let me spatula. Whoa! We're good. How did that not just do that? Okay, we're good. Alright, I'm going to put the rest in the pan by myself. It was really hard to do with one hand. Alrighty, this I went ahead and went it all in there. I had a little bit of a oopsie. After the whole time one-handed, didn't have an oopsie, but after I did it with a spatula, I had an oopsie. Okay, and let this sit for 15 minutes, and then we're going to bake it for 55 minutes. Time to put her in the oven for 55 minutes. Checking on the cake! It's starting to smell so yummy in here. Getting dangerously close to the top. Hope it doesn't keep rising. Make sure not to open the oven, even if it's dangerously close like mine is to the top burners. Otherwise your cake will fall. It's got 27 minutes left. So I am just about ready to take out the angel food cake. I'm sure you caught a glimpse and you're wondering, what is this? Well, my mom made no knead bread today. This is not sourdough. This is 100% spelt. It is beautiful. She made this today, and I will link down the recipe below because this is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Great job, Mom. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Ta-da! And also make sure to get a hot pad because it's gonna be hot. Got a little toasty on the top, but that's not gonna happen if you have a regular oven. I put this one accidentally too far up. I was supposed to go on the bottom rack, but that's just my mistake. I'll just cut that part off and the rest will taste fine. I'm gonna get some help and flip this upside down. Alrighty, here we go. The oven mitt was too hot because there's a broken oven mitt. Right, and as the cake is cooling, we're gonna start our frosting with 1 stick of butter and cream it. Now it's time to add our powdered sugar. And we'll mix this together and then add our egg yolk. We'll add our egg yolk. Time to taste it to make sure. Good. Alright, now it's time to come out of the pan. This got a little bit burnt, but that's okay because mine was just too close to the oven. We're going to try to do this very, very close to the edge. Sometimes the cake will just come out on its own. Today, mine did not come out on its own, but that's okay. And some people have like the 2-part tins. I just have the 1-part tin. And let's see if it'll come out. We're gonna have to Frankenstein this together, but it's okay because we're gonna ice it, so nobody will know except for everybody watching. Ta-da! Wow, it came out perfect first try. Fluffy. And with this cake, you have to be super, super gentle. And we'll spread this out later.
This was one of the most moist, delicious versions of this cake. It was so amazing. She did such a great job.
Loved my video with making the chocolate French silk cream pie, and it turned out amazing. Everybody loved it. It was a little bit jiggly because we couldn't wait to serve it till it like firmed up, but it was so good.
It's good.
That was so moist and fluffy, Haley. Good job. That is excellent. Cake time.
Oh, oh! Good enough, good enough.